I'm Stephanie. Welcome back to Next with Steph. If you're new to this channel, thanks for joining us. Hope you like this project, and if you do, please give us a subscribe. I'm going to take this IKEA storage unit that I've had in my home for about 15 years, maybe more, and give it a bit of an upcycle. And then I'm probably going to use it to help me with my storage issues and problems in my studio space. So stick around and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pull out all of the drawers, and we're going to remove the little hardware that's on the front end. It's a little bit of effort, but we can get them off. I'm hoping that I won't break any. If I break them, then I just won't reuse them. But if I can save them, then I'm going to paint them black and try to reuse them. Okay, so now that I've got the hardware off, I'm going to go ahead and give this a sand. I've roughed up some of the wood right here, and there's a few splinters, but it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and sand it, give it a good sand. And I'm actually going to be turning these around, and that's going to be in the back, so we won't see it anyways. This will be the new front. I'm going to give this a sand. I'm going to remove some of these markings that over the years have sort of collected. So I'm just finishing up masking these the little drawers off, and I'm going to paint the inside, but I want to stain the outside and the edge, so I'm going to mask it off. And you might as well do all of the drawers at once, so mask them all and then just spray paint them all. this entire storage unit has been painted and stained, I've gone ahead and given everything as well a coat of this Varathane top coat, which I've used in a few other projects as well. I've given that a coat, and I'm going to go ahead and attach the hardware. So this is the hardware that I took off of the drawers, and I really like this little silver plate where you can put the labels behind. But I'm going to save these and use them in another project. Instead, I have these new drawer pulls that also have a little place for putting a label as well. So I love these, and I'm going to go ahead and attach them. I've made myself a little template so that I know where I'm going to be placing each one. They'll be here like this. So I'll go ahead and mark the front of the drawer, which used to be the back, now will be the front. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that, and I'm going to attach them with these little brass wood screws. Once I get all of the drawer pulls screwed on, I'm going to take a little bit of black paint and just touch up the heads of the screws so they won't be as visible.